Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today on Sunday. I've promised you to solve the Samurai Sudoku on Sunday in the yesterday's newspaper of September the 9th. Yes, 2023. This one I will solve in the evening. The Samurai Sudoku. We have here two puzzles left in the puzzle page of the Saturday edition, Saturday, September 9th, 2023. The 3 star Sudoku, well, it's actually a 2 stars. And the binary, so two puzzles are left in this Saturday edition. And we have also 3 puzzles left in the Friday edition. Here, the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, and the tectonic. I will solve these 5 puzzles, and in the evening I will solve the Samurai Sudoku. Yeah, a lot of puzzles for this weekend. But let me start with this one, the 3 stars Sudoku. Well, it's actually a 2 stars. It has 26 printed digits, but this will be number 7069. Here, before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26. Yeah, told you 26. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve the puzzle. But for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. 20 to 30 minutes. Yeah. Is this really a 3 stars? We don't know. Or a 2 stars with 26. For 2 stars, I need to be my time limit will be 15 to 20 minutes. We will see if this is 2 stars or 3 stars. Yeah. Alright. Let's get started. All right. Let me see which number I can pick. 4 sevens. Let me start with the 7 then. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, I only 2 place left. The 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the last row. 7 in that row. So the row between. The only place left for the 7 should be there. 7, okay. 7. 7, okay. We have here 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 7. We have a 7 in the third column, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. Here, 7 in the middle row, no 7 in that box. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. Yeah, 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the first column, 7 in the third column, so the column between. Second column, no, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 7, need to wait. Well. The 8 in this row, the 8 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this row. 2 of those missing numbers in this row are the numbers 4 and a 5. We have a 4 and a 5 in this big square, so no 4 and a 5 in these 2 boxes. 4 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Yeah, 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this row? 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 4 and a 5. 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 will be here, and a 3 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, only 3 places left for the 6 will be here or there. We see a 6 in this row, no 6 there. Here, 6 in the middle row, no 6 there. Only place left for the 6 should be there. Alright. And now. 9, 3. 9 and 1. Need a 7 here. Need a 7 there. Need a 4 here. 1 1 1 1. 5 and the 2. Come on. 1. We have a 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So last column, the only place left with the 9 should be there. Well, in the last column, we need a 4. Here can be a 4 because we have 4 in this big square, so no 4 in this box. So the 4 should be one of these 3 boxes. If I place, here we have marked 2 boxes with the 4 and the 5. If I place the 4 here and the 5 there, then I cannot place the 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So I know the 4 should be here definitely, and the 5 should be there definitely. Okay. 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row, sorry, 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in the second column, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in the first row, no 2 there, 2 should be there, 2. Yeah, 9. Well, we have here 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number in this column is the number 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So the 9 in this column could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 9 in the second row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Alright, then 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column, second column. No 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 should be there. 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the second column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 9. 2 missing numbers in this big square for us. 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 in the middle column, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 8 and the 6. Well, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the... oh wait, 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 6 and a 3. We have a 6 and a 3 in the last column, so no 6 and a 3 in these 2 boxes. 6 and a 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers? The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in the last row. No 2 there. 2 should be here and 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7 and the 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 8 in this last row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here and 6 goes there. So 1 digit left in the second column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 3 goes together with the 7 as a pair. 3 and 7, 3 and a 7. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 7 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means 1 digit left in this third column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. Two missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 6 in the first row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Then 1 number left in the last column for number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. Well. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here. Or there, we see a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 7. 1, okay. Then. Which number can I pick? How about these 2 missing numbers in the first row for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1, 2. Well, we have 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Let me mark those. So we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 2 in the last column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here. Or there, we see a 2 in the third row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. So 2 numbers left here, the 3 and the 6. In this column, we have a 3 in the third row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 6 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 6. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. In this row, we have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now in this row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there, so 1 digit left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Okay. Well, we have a 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 1 box left in this column for the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column between the second column, the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here. Or there, we see a 4 in the second row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. Alright, 2 missing numbers here, the 5 and 8. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 5. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 1 goes there, finishing 40 minutes. Well, I don't believe it's a 3 stars. Also not a 2 stars. But let me give this a 1 star. Again, yesterday or so. And we solve it again, and I like this one, yes I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the binary puzzle. Until then, bye bye for now.